Most woodworking projects require some sanding of the wood to finish it up, and this is regardless whether you are making some cabinets or doing some home improvements. Luckily, there are many sanding tools that will be handy for finishing your projects, but the belt sander is perhaps the most common and also one of the most versatile ones. Belt sanders come in various sizes, shapes and types, but their most distinctive features are also what sets them apart from others, and that is the continuously moving sanding surface mounted on a belt. These powerful sanding tools will help you shape and give an even finish to all kinds of woodworking projects, and they will be both aggressive and gentle to ensure that you get the finish that you desire. Belt sanders can remove shape and round edges to give your misshaped wood a smooth finish, and these sanders are great when you want to sand large and flat surfaces quickly. In this video, I am going to show you some of the best belt sanders in the market and highlight some of the factors or features such as power, belt size, weight and speed to consider when buying one. The Makita 9903 is a variable speed belt sander that runs on an 8.8 amps motor, and it is a versatile and efficient model that will be ideal for most woodworking projects. It uses an electronic speed control that makes it possible to maintain a constant speed under load, and it also has a relatively wide speed range. The large 4x24 inch belt on the Makita 9403 makes it a great choice for sanding large workpieces. And although it is a single speed sander, it is fast enough to ensure quick material removal. This belt sander is one of the quietest units on our belt sanding review. With a noise rating of 84 decibels, it is as quiet as belt sanders can get. Sanding is also quite comfortable when using this belt sander thanks to the large front handle, and the 360-degree swiveling dust bag makes operation even more convenient. Sometimes you just want to have a basic and affordable belt sander in the workshop for use on simple everyday sanding projects. Well, the Black & Decker DS321 is a perfect choice for this. This compact and lightweight belt sander weighs just 8.2 pounds and it runs on a 7 amp motor that delivers a speed of 800 foot a minute. It is a relatively affordable belt sander that features an innovative front roller design to make it easy to reach even the toughest corners. This handy sander also has a retractable 3-position handle that gives woodworkers optimal control. There's also an efficient dust collector that will help keep the work area clean to improve visibility. Comfort is always a crucial factor to consider when choosing a belt sander, and the Hitachi SB8V2 is one of the most comfortable models in this belt sander video, thanks to the soft elastomer grip handle. This fantastic sander runs on a 9 amp motor that delivers speeds of between 820 and 1,475 foot a minute, and it weighs around 9.5 pounds. The tracking window is also a great addition to the sander, as it will improve the visibility of both the sanding belt and the surface you are sanding. There's also a dust collection bag which is mounted on the left side to improve the corner sanding applications, and also reduces airborne wood dust particles. Genesis GBS321A is another affordable 3x21 inch belt sander that runs again on an 8 amp motor and at speeds of between 390 and 1,180 foot a minute. And so this will be the best sander when handling delicate sanding projects or materials that require low speeds. It has a low profile design that makes it highly versatile, as it will get into tight places with ease, and you can quickly and easily change the sanding belt with the single lever belt change, which makes it really convenient and requires very little effort. Portacable 362V is the best powerful belt sander on our list. It is a variable speed model that runs on a 12 amp motor, which is the most powerful in this video, and it delivers speeds of between 1,000 and 1,500 feet a minute. Although this is also the priciest item on our list, It is worth it as it also comes with a large 4x24-inch belt that makes it possible to sand large workpieces within a short time. The ergonomic handles provide all-day comfort and makes this an excellent belt sander for lengthy projects. However, at a total weight of 15.5 pounds, this is the heaviest belt sander on our list. Our cheapest belt sander is the DS321, but there is still more to it than the affordable price tag. This lightweight and compact belt sander weighs just £6, which makes it the lightest on our list. The 7 amp motor on this sander might not be very powerful, but it still spins the belt at a speed of 820 foot a minute to make the sander ideal for regular sanding projects. Also, the front roller on this belt sander will extend past the top edge to make it possible to access and sand any tight corners. There's also a spacious dust collection bag to help keep the workpiece and workshop clean. While this video will give you some great ideas of the models to go for, there's still some important things to consider when you buy a belt sander. And you can find these on our blog post on woodworkingtoolkit.com. There are 2 primary types of belt sanders, which are handheld and stationary belt sanders. Each has some pros and cons and will be suitable for different situations. Other things to consider are power, size, weight, speed, and dust collection. So I really hope this video has helped you choose the best belt sander for you and your project. By considering these points that I've made in this video, you should have an easy time finding a great belt sander for you to add to your toolkit.